What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Coinbase stock. With the look of things right here, we could see that Coin has not been doing well for a very long time. If I should move this to the weekly time frame right here, you could see it hasn't really been doing well. But looking at it from the weekly time frame, everything is actually fine with Coin. Looking at things right here, you could see opening a long position right now with Coin is definitely not something crazy actually, because you would see we managed to break below this major support, but we closed the weekly we managed to close the weekly we've not closed this weekly candle, sorry, but we managed to reclaim this level at 181 dollars trading right here. So we could probably approach this major resistance at $200. The issue right now is, okay, what are the chances we're going to be breaking out? I think there's every possible chances for Coin to break above $200, because looking at Coin right now, Coin is actually down massively. Looking at how low Coin has been, so I might probably be opening a long position on Coin right now. So I'm back, guys. I just took a long position on Coinbase right now, Coin stock. So without wasting much of your time, I think looking at the whole situation of things, even if Coin decides to drop a little bit, I do not see it dropping below this major support at 183. I'm probably seeing Coin obviously finding support around here at 185, rallying all the way from here, breaking above 200 and rallying even much higher for Coin. You could see that even from the weekly time frame, Coin hasn't gotten a major breakout from this major downtrend, because obviously if you've been keeping up with my videos for a very long time, you could see that whenever we come in contact with this level right here, we are always getting rejected. And you could see clearly right here that we are probably going to be rallying all the way to $215. Hopefully we break out of this resistance. So obviously right now Coin is still doing very well. You could see right here, majorly from this trend line, Coin will definitely do very well. I think my liquidation price right now is at $125 or $23, which I will let it run for probably who knows how long. But yeah, that just majorly is right here. I'll definitely be here to keep us up to date. Now over to the news. We could see right here, according to the news, the demand for Bitcoin falls to the lowest level since December. So looking at the headline right here, we could see that a key gauge of Bitcoin demand has fallen to its lowest level since last December. Crypto quant 30-day demand metric has fallen to minus 147,000 Bitcoin, its weakest reading since December of last year. The metric compares new miner supply and other coins returning to circulation with the amount of Bitcoin the market is absorbing. This is just definitely it. A positive reading of the gauge means buyers are taking down new and reactivated supply, while a negative reading means more coins are coming to the market than buyers are absorbing. The weak demand surfaces even after Bitcoin rose from a bottom of 60,000 US dollar in February of this year to 77,000 US currently, 77,000 US dollars currently. So other metrics also point to weak demand. The Coinbase premium has stayed negative since late April, showing US buyers have been less aggressive. So the weak demand does not bode well for BTC, which has been stuck trading at 77,000 for nearly 2 weeks. Weak demand makes the market more dependent on fresh spot buying if bulls want to push the price of Bitcoin out of its current zone. So analyst says that Bitcoin continues to face resistance above $80,000, and note that the price could fall as low as $70,000 if demand from investors weakens further. So this is just definitely what the crypto is actually experiencing right now. Bitcoin is definitely at major resistance, trying to break above $80,000, but that has not been able to break for a very long time right now. So we had a major pullback to a bear flag pattern, which we are trying to reclaim, but I do have a feeling that Bitcoin will be dumping much lower, which I am definitely waiting on the sideline to cop Bitcoin the moment it dumps much lower. So depending on the fundamentals, the geopolitical news, and the whole war going on, the quantum physics or quantum engineering that is going on, is definitely one of the things that is affecting the market this year. So hopefully, in as much as everything de-escalates, we are probably going to see things coming back to play. Markets will become bullish, especially the crypto assets. So I think when this happens, we're most likely going to see Coinbase skyrocketing. So I think buying Coinbase right now is not bad, but in terms of buying it for a short period of time, I think we could still probably see Coinbase dumping probably all the way to $108 this year, or probably $33 while we end up rallying later in the future. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.